introduce this, and you say what this is now. So today, okay. Okay, these are all my old stuffed animals. Bah! It's funny, if we separate. One fucking demon puzzle. Look how pregnant she is! If you stand right there, you get your whole face. That's about it.
Alright, I'm trying to hold this. Make it look like. There you go. That's about it.